Dudes, greeting to everyone on the Asab Trade channel. With you, your Sir1 trading guru Asab, and as always, today I will talk about very simple and very good trading strategy. It's really explosive, cause that trading strategy working really brilliantly. So before we start, I want to ask you subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and leave the comment and like under that video, cause it is really very important to me. Let's get started. And so guys, let's open the forecast where we will trade a pocket option, the best platform on the binary option in the world. And so today we'll use a very simple and effective trading strategy with helping two indicators. It will be always mine and Williams. Let's changing the settings exactly like mine. And so time expiration will be 1 minute and time frame will be to 1 minute. So I'm adding, and so today we will really try to increase my deposit online, and so it's really must be very funny. But we enter to chef no currency pair, and we enter with $100. It's all my amount, and let me explain everything in detail. And so if you watch the Williams indicator, that indicator have two line. It's the support and resistance line, and that line and that indicator have the one curve line, the blue curve line. And so that curve line, if that curve line intersect one of two lines, support or resistance line, and are directed to upper position, that the clear signal to enter to upper trend. So if that curve line intersect one of two lines, resistance or support, are directed to down position, that the cool signal to enter to downwards zone. And so it really was cool because we received really clear signal from Williams indicator. If we watch to the voice my indicator, that indicator have the histogram, that in histogram has the green candle, and if that green candle lying to upper zone, it the signal to enter to upper position. If that green candle lying to down zone, it the signal to enter to down position. It's really very simple, guys. So whoa, we get the first profit. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, write me in the direct message, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day and we have the great results. If you want the same, just join us. So guys, I entered to Audi chef currency pair, and I'm entered with $192 for one trade. It was the first deal and the second deal, and so guys, if you watch to the Williams indicator just showing us the curve line are directed to upper position and are intersected the one line support line, and so it's really was clear signal to enter to upper position. And if you watch to the OSMI indicator, that indicator just showing us the histogram and red and green candle lying to upper zone, and it was the second signal to enter to upper position. And so I think that I'm right into the 5 trend direction, and we're just waiting for our profit. So guys, it was really delightful. $369 on my bank account. It's really looking very good. And so I'm entered to Euro GBP currency pair, and so let me explain in detail. And if you watch to the Williams indicator, that indicator shows us the curve line are intersect to support line, and so just are directed to down position, and it's really clear signal. And if you watch to the OSMI indicator, the indicator just showing us the green candle, and that green candle just lying to down zone, and it's really very good signal, the second signal to enter the down position. So, and it's really was really cool, I think, so that we really right into the 5 trend direction again. So it's really skill, guys. Of course it's skill. With your Asab, you know that. So we get the first profit, $364, and we get the second profit, $326. So in my bank account, 700. It was short deal, guys. And so we entered to upper position with 3 deals. It's was the really good deal, and so, but the price motion really increasing and jumping one side to another side, and so. But if you watch to the Williams indicator showing us really good signals are directed, curve line are directed to upper position, and it's really was cool signal to enter to upper position, and so, and that curve line just intersect the support line, and so if we watch to the OSMI indicator, that indicator showing us the really green candles lying just ideally. So it's really looking very good, guys, and that indicator shows us the really good signal to enter to the upper trend. Guys, we get that profit, so it's really unbelievable. $1,224, guys, it's really crazy, so crazy. Okay, we're just moving on, guys. And so, guys, I'm entered to USD CLP currency pair, and so I'm entered to upper position, and let me explain it. I'm entered with 6 deals. One amount for one deal was $190, and so on my bank account leave $84, and so our trade really right now we get the profit. We get the profit, guys. $2,273 on my bank account. It's really unbelievable, just amazing. So we enter with 2 deals. Amount for one deal was the $1,000. It's really large amount for one deal, guys. So, but we must be catch that motion exactly. So we're just waiting for the profit. But we watched to the Williams indicator, that indicator showing really intersection one line, support line, and are directed to upper position. And if we watch to the OSMI indicator, that indicator really showing us the clear signal to enter to upper position, cause that histogram showing the green candle line to upper zone. So it's really very good signal for us. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. But in this case a little bit reversal, so it's really must be all right and must be okay for us. So we get the profit, guys. $4,000 in my bank account. It's really sound crazy. It's really crazy, guys. In the conclusion, I want to say that today really was a predictive trading session, and it was really beautiful. It was really delightful, because I used the very cool indicators, that indicators working together very well. I'm increased my deposit from $100 to $4,000, and I know that you want the same. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel and write to me privately, teach me, and I'll send all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my V.I.P channel, where we trade with my team every day and showing the great results. Come join us, places are limited. See you on the next time. Hug you all until it crunches.